Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm smiling now considering that I wasn't smiling 2 days ago, okay? Anyway, let's get right into it. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Normally on a Monday you guys know that you would be getting the supermarket haul. Well, you're not getting, well, yes, you're getting the supermarket haul today, but it's not filming on a Friday like it used to, but it's filming on a Saturday, which would be a total different vlog. Anyway, with not confusing you guys with what's going on, the last vlog you guys saw was me taking Sarah and Tyler to their doctor's appointment, and with all that, Sarah was not feeling well. Sarah was vomiting. Remember I told you guys Sarah was vomiting out of nowhere. That filmed on Wednesday. You guys saw it on Friday. So it filmed on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Saturday. So it's been 3 days since Sarah vomit episode. That was Wednesday. You guys, Thursday all day. No, not all day. Thursday afternoon, after I ate lunch, I felt so sick. I felt nauseous. I wanted to vomit, and I started vomiting. TMI, if you guys watching this, TMI. I started vomiting like about 7 p.m. I managed to pick the kids up from school because Thursday babe had a flight to catch. He had to go to Paris for work meet purposes, and he was out of town, so I had to, of course, pick up the kids. I didn't have a choice, so I managed to catch some fresh air and dragged myself to pick up the kids. By the time I got back home, I just felt terrible, worse than I felt, and I vomited. I promise I managed to pull myself around and take care of the kids because of course babe wasn't here. Babe was in Paris, so I had to do everything on my own. So while I was cleaning up myself, Tyler started vomiting. I'm like, Lord, what is this? Tyler finished ate dinner. He came home good, finished ate dinner, and by the time I had my first 2 or so episode, he started. I'm like, oh, what is this? Anyway, the night went on. We talked to babe on the phone. I went to bed still having those episodes of vomiting. Tyler went to bed still having those episodes of vomiting. I didn't sleep. By 2 a.m. that night, babe messaged me all the way from Paris saying he started vomiting. Can you guys believe that? So Sarah had her episode Wednesday, Tyler and I had our episode Thursday night, and babe have his episode Thursday night. Even though he wasn't home, he was in Paris. So I had my episode all night Thursday night. Tyler had his episode all night Thursday night. So I decided that, okay, I am gonna keep you guys home today. I'm not sending you to school. As a matter of fact, I was so weak, I didn't have the strength to go and drop them to school. Even though by Thursday morning he looked okay, but he was so tired, so there's no way I could send him to school. Sarah was sad that she wasn't gonna get to go to school, but she stayed home. Tyler stayed home. Babe had episodes on his way going to the airport back home because babe was on his way back home from Paris by Friday morning. So he had episodes on his way to the airport. Thank God he managed to keep it together on the flight and he made it home. And we all haven't vomited since Friday morning, so thank God for that. And all day into Friday we stayed in, we rested, and babe got home about midday Friday. So he slept, he rested, and now this is me Saturday morning, feeling almost back to myself. I still feel a little not my old male self, but I have to pull it together because I have to pull it together for everybody. Though Tyler and Sarah is back to themselves like nothing happened, but like the doctor tell me that a bug is going around and everybody is catching it. So it was our turn, and like I said, I didn't have any appetite. Babe didn't have any appetite, and we were just feeling lousy, so we rested all day yesterday. But this is us back. So yeah, I have managed to still pull it together and give you guys vlogs hopefully for the rest of the week. But I didn't get to vlog yesterday because I just couldn't. I just had to rest. I just curl up and I just didn't feel myself. So everybody in this house was sick, and now we are heading out to finally go and do our supermarket shopping. As you guys can hear my kids in the background acting themselves, making noise, and they are okay. I am okay, and baby's almost back to his old self. He's actually taking a shower right now so that we can head out and get back off the road. So that's what's been going on in my household. If you see my post on Instagram, then you'll see that I say that everybody in my household is sick. But yeah, let me go make you guys say hello to the kids before we head out, as we are hanging around and waiting for babe. So make sure you guys are taking care of yourselves, whatever it is that you guys are out and about doing. Make sure you guys are staying hydrated. If you're not feeling well, then listen to your body and do what you have to do. Look at my kids. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
What are you playing?
Birthday.
Sorry, you're playing with Tyler?
Yes.
Tyler is teaching you how to play?
Turn.
Hey. Everybody is playing this morning. So they're all dressed and ready. Oh! It's okay, it's okay. You just have to find it. Which? You find it? Wow. That's a miracle. That's a miracle. So thank God for that. Because I don't know how you would get it out anyway.
Slow.
Voila. Good job.
2.
Anyway, ready to go to the supermarket?
2. Yes.
Yes. You've been ready, huh? With your little cute self. Anyways. They're here. As you guys can see, they're fine. So let's go do some supermarket shopping, shall we? So I'll catch you guys either at the supermarket or when I get back for the supermarket haul. Stick and stay. Subscribe if you're new to the fam. Catch brand people up, and of course I'll see you guys in a bit.
No, you can't wait, Dad. Just take your time. That's okay. I can whoop your ass every day.
I got to whoop your ass. What was the last time you did that?
Yeah, I think last week.
When was the last time
What
you
you said
did
before that?
that?
What you say you're gonna do? What did you say you're gonna do to Papa ass? You're gonna whoop his ass? Don't repeat what you hear your father say. You hear me? Anyway, it's time for the supermarket
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Since they want me to be a part of the chorus each week, I'm now being a part of the chorus. Anyway, we all are here. Say hello, Siki.
Hello, guys.
Siki number 4. We're back to our, almost back to our little old self.
Almost. Far, but almost.
Not far. Anyway, you guys, we just come back from the supermarket. Let's discover all the things that we got. Ready? Let's go.
I want my bag.
Oh, that's Tyler's favorite. Cauliflower. Ah, Sarah love cauliflower.
No, this is Thai favorite.
Yummy
What's that, Ty?
Huit à de crevettes.
With quoi? Akra.
Accra. Tu sais pas lire?
It's a Chinese dumplings. I
Tu
picked
sais
them up.
pas lire?
Si, je sais lire.
Oh, c'est pas.
Sarah, what's this? Raspberries for
Papa.
mama.
No, Sarah.
Mama.
No.
Wait. It's for mama. It's for mama and Sarah. It's for mama and Sarah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that,
After how
Sarah?
we get it. Tyler, let's go. We don't have all day.
Sarah?
I want my bag.
Chick chick. Quack quack. Sarah, do the chicken dance. Do the chicken dance.
Do the non-spark dance. Vacation.
No, it's not for vacation. We're gonna eat it now. Celery for green juice. Sarah, what's this?
Pasta for tomorrow.
Yeah, pasta for tomorrow. Also, that's what you want for dinner tomorrow?
Yes, with ham.
We can.
With cheese and
lunch.
bread with yam.
I want
Make hamburger.
burger.
Tell Sarah them to make hamburger.
What do you want?
You want this snack bag. Juice.
What is that?
It's to eat. We're gonna eat it.
Sarah, you like this?
We got lace for Tyler shoes lace.
No, it's mine.
Why are you doing that to me?
It's for Sarah and Ty.
It's for Sarah and Tai for vacation, okay?
It's for Sarah and Ty when you eat my candy.
I buy a pack of lollipop, you guys. When you're traveling with young kids, always have lollipops and more lollipops in every corner. In your pocket, in your bag, in your suitcase, everywhere. So,
Mama,
yeah?
did you tell Papa about the story about Sarah eating my candy?
Yesterday, I gave Tai 3 little candy and gave Sarah 3 little candy, but it was good time. And Sarah was drinking her milk. She finished drinking her milk and ate her 3 candy. Tyler was eating some biscuit and put down his 3 candy on the table. And he got up to go to the bin and to throw away his snack bag. And when he come back, he said, Mama, where's my candy? I said, you sure you didn't eat the candy? Says Sarah. She go like this. I said, Sarah, where is Tai candy? What did you do to Tai candy yesterday?
Eating.
She eat. You eat Tai candy?
Yes.
And what did Mama say? What did Mama say? Don't do
That.
what you're supposed to do.
Don't do that.
And you're to
Listen.
and ask, right? She eat Tai 3 candy vanish, and I didn't see when she eat it. I'm still in disbelief that she eat it, but it vanished, so it have to be she eats. Then ask her
And
where
she
it
tell
is,
it.
and she tell me say it in her stomach.
The last
Sarah
time she say
eat
it's
it.
hidden.
Yeah.
It's hidden where? In my tummy.
So I ended up giving Tai a lollipop and didn't give her any and tell her don't do that again. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Okay, let's go.
What is that, Sarah?
Ham for Mama.
No. Ham for who?
Sarah and Tai. Yeah.
What you're gonna do is ham. You're gonna put it in the...
Big.
Ah!
No, in the bread.
Yeah.
In the sandwich. Not in the bin. No. No.
Sarah, no. Don't do that.
In the bin.
Come, Tai, your snack bag so full. I got ramushwa on sale.
A fish for Sarah. A lot of fish for Sarah.
You guys, I did not buy any salmon today. One little piece of salmon that I normally buy each week is for 11 euro, almost 12 euro. I'm like, no.
Sarah, what?
Lola.
There's some samosa.
We have some chicken eggs.
We have pure food for the kids. Sarah, what's this? Sarah, what's that?
Oh.
Yes.
I can feel the soup is gonna come.
Well, not that the soup is gonna come, but my pumpkin that I had in the freezer cut up for a while finished, so I buy it to replace it.
Okay, I have coconut cream, not
Don't do that.
coconut milk cream.
Yeah, because they didn't have no milk, it's the same thing.
Mama, who is going to take care of the chickens?
You
No.
You know that Mama used to clean the chicken doo-doo when she was younger?
Yeah, you need to do
Because
the
we
same
used to
thing.
have a house for the chickens. And Mama used to kill them, hold the neck and go and
She
put
like,
them in the hot
and she
water.
like to take the doo-doo, and you know what she does with the doo-doo? She put them in Uncle Conrad's bed. She put all the doo-doo in Uncle Conrad's bed. That's what she like to do. You believe me,
Mama
right?
had a lot of chicken, but the part I hate the most was cleaning the chicken house. But the part I loved the most was eating all the things after we kill the chicken. Because you get to eat the heart, you get to eat the gizzard, you get to eat the little round things inside, and you use the chicken head and make soup. And chicken soup.
Oh, Sarah, what is that?
He said,
Sarah? What is that?
Sausage.
Sausage.
No, it's a large.
Papa, what is this?
It's cocoa water.
Coconut water. I must can find real coconut water when I go on vacation in Mexico. I'm looking forward to that.
That's
I'm
not
looking
real?
forward to drink. No.
What is
I
it?
mean, it's mixed with
Nutella.
preservative. I want the real thing coming from the actual coconut.
Mama. Happy biscuits.
You want the Mikado? You asked for it. What do you say?
So long.
Ty is the first you to finish your bag and everybody to your bag.
Well,
Correct.
so you're gonna start the rock, paper, scissors with the minus. With the minus.
Cookie, rice cake, donuts. Finish.
Alright, it's time for rock, paper,
scissors.
alright, Papa.
So which team you are? You are in?
Man.
Which team?
Your Papa.
Papa team!
I am never on Papa team. Come on, Tyler. Let's beat him.
Sarah team, right.
Let's beat Papa. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh Lord, the 1 Papa. I don't like it. Papa get no points because it's danger zone once Papa get points. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go Tyler. Go Tyler. Go Tyler. Go Tyler. Go Tyler. 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 Go Tyler. Come on, let me play and beat you.
No, first me.
No,
No, I have to play the loser.
Let me beat her.
Let's see if we can reach
Let me kick her ass.
After I do.
Stop talking, let me kick her ass.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Come. How much you got?
1-0
still.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What did you do? What is this?
Like you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
3-0. Turn around. You deserve her.
You too? You want to play with me, so I told you want to kick my butt in the same day.
Yes.
Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Mama.
I have to put all of this in the...
Yes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Mama. Come on, Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
Sorry.
2-2.
Anybody win this win? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Stop screaming. At least I win 1. 1. Yes, anyway, you guys, we are gonna look after some lunch right now. Okay, so since everybody is still not back to their old selves and soup would do us well, I am making a pot of soup for dinner. Chicken soup. You hear my kids? Well, I guess they are good. Anyway, you guys, chicken soup for dinner. Dinner is ready for the VMB. Why your face look like that? Say hello.
Hi.
You guys, come end the vlog with me. I was trying to end the vlog with her, but her eyes caught something else. Mama soon pick it up for you. Come end the vlog with Mama. Come here. And I end the vlog with Mama. So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
Give this video a thumbs up. Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
comment,
like,
share,
share,
catch up and keep up.
chop and keep up.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys.